Well, anyways, I'm Josh, and I'm 17.
I'm Matt, I'm 15. As you can see, we're camping today. We'd like to tell you the story of something we've been doing recently. It all started when I told Josh he's got ugly glasses.
After that, I made my first pair out of wood. Since then, I've been making stronger and more comfortable pairs.
Well, I've been designing better looking frames. We're calling it Woodpecker Eyewear. We want Woodpecker to be something you can find at your local optometrist.
Our frames will have spring hinges and an easy way to take out lenses, which is real nice and real rare.
We want to encourage young people to work hard and to start businesses. So by giving to Woodpecker, you will be encouraging young people to be productive.
Approximately 1 million seabirds die every year from ingesting plastic. So, by helping us out, you'll be encouraging the use of renewable natural materials like wood.
Our goal is $7,500.
And if we don't get our goal, we're gonna have to go to our uncle's toothpaste factory and screw lids onto toothpaste tubes.
So, don't forget, please, look at our different pledges and their perks and decide which one is best for you. Thanks for watching. Please click the green button to help us out.